Homeownership in Sugar Land, Texas, offers an opportunity for homeowners to invest in their property, enhance comfort, and improve energy efficiency. One of the most effective ways to elevate the value of your home is through window replacement. Whether you're looking to sell soon or simply want to increase the long-term value of your home, upgrading your windows can have a significant impact. Here's how replacing your windows can boost your home's value in Sugar Land. Curb appeal and aesthetic appeal. The first impression potential buyers get when they see your home is crucial. Old, outdated windows can give your home a tired, worn-out look. When you replace your windows with modern, stylish options, the aesthetic appeal of your home dramatically improves. New windows with sleek frames and clean glass enhance the overall look of your home, making it stand out in a competitive real estate market. Curb appeal is one of the first things that attracts buyers, and well-chosen windows can significantly raise your home's visual appeal, leading to quicker offers and potentially higher sale prices. Energy efficiency and saving. Energy-efficient windows are highly desirable for homeowners in Sugar Land, where the hot Texas summers can put a strain on air conditioning systems. Installing windows with better insulation properties reduces heat transfer, meaning your home stays cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. This can lead to significant savings on energy bills, which is an attractive selling point for potential buyers. Many modern windows come with double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and gas-filled panes that offer superior energy efficiency. Not only does this reduce your utility bills, but it also helps create a more comfortable living environment. Potential buyers are likely to consider this long-term saving when evaluating your home, making energy-efficient windows a valuable investment that can increase your home's market value. Noise reduction. Sugar Land is known for its family-friendly neighborhoods, but like any suburban area, there are certain times when traffic or neighborhood sounds can be a nuisance. Replacing old windows with newer, noise-reducing models can help minimize sound intrusion. This is especially beneficial for homes located near busy streets or commercial areas. Homes that offer quiet, peaceful living environments are highly desirable, and this feature is an attractive selling point. Noise reduction, particularly in busy or densely populated areas, can significantly increase your home's appeal to buyers who are seeking a serene environment. As a result, investing in windows that block noise could translate into a higher resale value for your property. Improved safety and security. Old windows often have worn-out locks or may not close securely, posing potential safety and security risks. New windows come with advanced locking mechanisms and improved security features, such as impact-resistant glass, which not only offers more peace of mind for homeowners but also enhances a property's marketability. Potential buyers will appreciate knowing that the windows offer better protection for their family and belongings. In Sugar Land, where safety is a priority for many families, secure windows are a feature that can increase the attractiveness of your home. Modern windows provide both safety and peace of mind, making them an appealing feature for prospective buyers. Return on investment. Homeowners in Sugar Land often look for investments that yield high returns when they decide to sell their homes. According to several real estate experts, window replacement typically offers one of the best returns on investment, often recovering between 70–80% of the cost of installation. This makes it a smart financial decision, especially when considering how quickly this upgrade can make your home more competitive in a dynamic housing market. Moreover, buyers in Sugar Land are often willing to pay a premium for homes that have been upgraded with energy-efficient windows, knowing they'll save money in the long run. Therefore, the initial investment in window replacement can pay off in terms of both increased property value and energy savings. Conclusion: replacing your windows is one of the most effective home improvement projects that can significantly boost your home's value in Sugar Land. With benefits such as enhanced curb appeal, energy efficiency, noise reduction, improved safety, and a high return on investment, it's clear why window replacement should be a priority for homeowners looking to enhance their property's market value. Whether you plan to sell your home in the near future or simply want to improve the quality of life for your family, investing in new windows is a decision that pays off in both the short and long term. With the right window replacement, your home can become more comfortable, more attractive, and more valuable on the market.